guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial using the BHCosmetics Natural Eyes palette. I got this palette as a gift. I had not used any BHCosmetics prior to this, and I love this palette. These colors have been really easy to work with. They blend well. The color payoff is good. I mean, you really can ask for much more in an inexpensive palette like this one. This is the look that I will be doing today. You already know what I'm going to say. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I would love for you to take this makeup journey with me. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. So, if you're interested to see how I got this look using the BHCosmetics palette, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start by hand sanitizing. I don't know why, but lately my hands feel really dirty. I'm going to start off with the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. It's actually the 3-in-1. It's Prime, Correct, and Set, and I just love the way this smells. Yeah, I just love the way this smells, and so I've been using it to prep my face. It smells amazing. So I'll just let that sit for a little bit. And then today's primer is the Too Faced Hangover RX. I really like this one too because it smells like coconuts. But I also like it because it gives that tacky feel. So I really feel that it helps keep my foundation on. I love mini makeup. And when I say mini makeup, like I love going to Sephora and Ulta and checking out like all these little minis because they're so easy to travel with. I just love them. So, just in case you guys cared. Today I'm using the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream in the color medium. I really like It Cosmetics makeup. I didn't really like their skincare, but you know, to each its own. But so far, I love their CC cream. I have their Confidence in a Compact foundation. I really do love that as well. And then I have their Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and I like that too. So if you are in the market for new foundation, try it out. So I'm just going to apply this to my face. I was totally going to use my beauty blender to buff it out, but I forgot to soak it in water, so I'm just going to use my crown brush. Now that I have that buffed out, I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to cover up my brown spots. To highlight under my eyes, I'm going to use the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline, and this one is the color Ivory. And I'm just going to use my crown brush to buff it out. I'm going to set under my eyes with the RCMA Colorless Powder. I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand. Oh, whoa. Well, don't do that. Don't. But make sure you tap out all that concealer because you don't want it to sit in your creases, you know? And then whatever product I have left, I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and set the rest of my face. use my favorite bronzer at the moment, which is the Milani XL bronzer. I really like this. It's just so easy, and I love the fact that you get the two colors. This side is the matte, and then this has a little bit of shimmer, but this one is perfect for me and bronzing and kind of doing a little bit of contour since I don't do anything like super crazy. So I'm just gonna use my Morphe M530 brush, tap that out, and just do a little contour. So now I'm going to use the Tarte blush in the color Quirky. My mom actually subscribes for those little Ipsy bags or whatever they are, and she doesn't really wear makeup. Yeah. I think she gets it more for the nail products, but I don't know. Anyway, so she gave me a bunch of stuff, and this happened to be one of the items in it, and I absolutely love Tarte blush, and it was a color that I didn't have, so it was a win-win. This color is kind of like a little peachy pink color. I feel like they're all kind of like peachy pinks, or the ones that I have are kind of peachy pinks, but one is definitely more on the peach side. And this one, from the looks of it, doesn't have any shimmer, which I like, so let me just apply that to my cheeks. Going to use this Beauty Creations highlight palette that I picked up from Pinky Rose last weekend. These are the colors, and I really like them. I honestly love anything that comes in a palette. I'm all about convenience, if you guys don't know. I want things that are easy to travel with, easy to store. That's my biggest thing, is easy to store. I stopped buying MAC makeup because I just don't like singles. I just don't have anywhere to store them, and then I don't want to buy something to store them. I mean, I do have a palette, but it just takes too much work because then you got to pop it out of the pot and do this, and that. And I'm just like, I'm good. I really am good. So I love palettes. I love, 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 love palettes because I like things stored a certain way, and I travel with them. So yeah, enough about that. I'm going to use this color right here, and it's called Sweet Sparkle. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back. I was feeling dip brow today, but I don't know what my brows were feeling because that took me way too long. I mean, I feel like it always does. I really do. I feel like it always does, especially lately. Lately, I just can't get my brows together at all. At all. It's time for fun. This is the first color I'm going to start off with. Using my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to apply this color all over from my brow bone to the base of my, from top to bottom, okay? Next up, I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm just going to put it in my crease using my old MAC brush. Next, I'm going in with this color right here. I'm going to use my Crown C511 brush and just go over that second color. Now I'm going in with this chocolatey brown color. I'm going to use my old MAC brush, and I'm not going to quite get it in the corner, but maybe a little bit further, like right in here, just because I'm going to put another color right here. Now I'm just going to clean off my brush with my color switch. Clean. Now I'm gonna go in with this black and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner of my B. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend the edges. Okay, for the inner corners of my eye, I'm going to take my Master Palette by Mario. I really do love this palette as well. And I'm going to take this color, Marina, and put that on the inner corners. I am going to put on some liner and lashes, and I will be right back and we can chat for a little bit. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have eyelashes, eyeliner, and I put a little bit of lippy on. On my lips, I have the Powder Puff Lippy by NYX, and this one is the color Squad Goals. I am still trying to figure out if I like this or not. My lips are going through something weird right now. I don't know what the heck it is, but they are just like really, really dry, but not in a chapped kind of way. I don't know how to explain it. You know, one of the things that I find interesting is the applicator. I don't know if I love it or hate it just yet, so I'm gonna keep using this and then I'll let you guys know. I did pick up a few colors and I like this color. It's a nice little natural, you know, just pop on and go, so we shall see. Today's look was just really simple, something that I could wear every day, but also something that I can transition to evening. I felt like it was a really easy look, you know, that anyone can do. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.